Myself Chaitanya are HS2A studying in ARVIND International School, Kunigal. Now I am going to show you our experiment of electrolysis of NaCl. Apparatus, motor, 2 lead, salt and a glass of water. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis, as we have covered, electrolysis is the passage of a direct electric current through an ionic substance that is either molten or dissolved in a suitable solvent. This results in chemical reaction at the electrodes and the separation of materials. Two commonly used methods of electrolysis involve molten sodium chloride and aqueous sodium chloride. You might think that both methods would give you the same products, but this is not the case. Let's go on electrolysis of molten NaCl. Take a glass of water, pure water. Add 2 spoons of salt, NaCl. Stir it well till it dissolves completely. Then you can observe that some bubbles are releasing through both the lead. You can observe. The plus charged, red color is in this anode. It is releasing chlorine gas, electrolyte of dilute sodium chloride. These negative ions are attracted to the positive electrode, lose electrons, so are oxidization. This is, and in a cathode, the sodium is not released. It is an hydrogen gas which is released. Positive ions are attracted to the negative electrode, gain electrons, so are reduced reduction. Bubble of gas only form the electrode surface. You can observe the gas in cathode are hydrogen and in anode it's chlorine. If sodium chloride is molten, 2 electrodes are inserted in the melt and an electric current is passed through the molten salt. Then chemical reaction takes place at the electrode. Electrolysis cell for molten sodium chloride, a commercial electrolysis cell for the and an electric current is passed through the molten salt. Then chemical reaction takes place at the electrode. Electrolysis cell for molten sodium chloride, a commercial electrolysis cell for the production of metallic sodium and chlorine gas from molten NaCl. Liquid sodium floats on the top of the sea. You can observe this. This is known as this liquid sodium Na floats on this upper. This is known as Na. Sodium ion migrate to the cathode where electrons enter the melt and are reduced to sodium metal. Chloride ions migrate the other way toward the anode. They give up their electron to the anode and are oxidized to chlorine gas. The overall reaction is the breakdown of sodium chloride into its element. See, you can see that bubbles. This is chlorine gas is releasing the bubbles coming out, and this is hydrogen gas. The upper liquid formed is known as sodium. By this we can illustrate that by an electrolysis, NaCl, sodium chloride, can be separated into Na and Cl. Thank you.